Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna dive into a topic that's been making waves of the world of AI. The latest release from OpenAI, which is GPTs. These groundbreaking models are not just about understanding and generating human-like text. They are reshaping how we interact with machines. Whether you are a developer or a creative or just someone fascinated by AI, there is something here for everyone. So in this video, we will explore what makes these models so powerful and useful. I will walk you through step-by-step tutorials on how to use and even create your own GPT-based applications. So let's dive in and reveal those mysteries. So I have landed to the page where I chat with ChatGPT on chat.openai.com, and now I need to create my custom GPT. So I will go ahead to the Explore button. This will open to me the GPTs that I have created, the recently used, and all the GPTs created by OpenAI. You can load more and explore all of them. These are ready-made GPTs by OpenAI. So in order to create a new GPT, you have to click on this plus button that will bring you to this window. So I have already created one, so I will go back and edit instead of creating. And this is the chatbot we're gonna create. So let me tell you what I have did here. So in this create tab, you can chat with ChatGPT and tell him or give him all the required information you need, and it will create the bot for you. But as OpenAI announced that the configure tab is more precise, so we will go here. What we will find is the name. I added my bot name, the description, instructions, and conversation starters, and my knowledge. So in my knowledge, I have uploaded our menu, and let me tell you that this example will be for a restaurant chatbot, which will answer all the questions from our customers and let them order the most suitable sandwiches for their cases. So the last thing, you need to enable the code interpreter, which will analyze the file you have uploaded and give you the proper answers for those questions from our customers. So here in the instructions, I wanted to add a detailed instructions for my chatbot. So what did I do? I went to ChatGPT, another page, and asked him to create what I need in a detailed instructions. So this was the answer by ChatGPT. I have took all that, customized it to my needs, and paste it here. So this is my instructions to my ChatGPT. So let's test this. I will not use those buttons, so I will go and say hi. Hello, would you like a sandwich recommendation based on your preferences? So I will say yes. So this is the first question. Do you need chicken or beef? I need beef. Then it asks me how hungry I am. So I'm gonna say very. So do you have any allergies from all of these contents? I'm gonna choose peanuts. So now it took all my answers and it's analyzing the database or the file we have uploaded to get the best answers. So it gave me now 3 options of the biggest sandwiches on our menu, and I can choose what I need. So let me say that I need a big tasty, and we can add fries and let the chatbot calculate the final price for that. So now it gave me the price for each item I have ordered and the final price for that, which gonna be 6.63. I want to show you our menu. So I have created this menu from McDonald's. So this is our sandwich name, the description, and we have the nutrition information and the allergen information, and finally we have the price. This is for each sandwich, and I have got a bunch of them plus the fries and Coke. So this is the end of our video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, like and subscribe.